Hello gardeners, Joey Lynn and Donald here from Star Nursery. As spring approaches, let's talk about colorful spring flower gardening and the different types of flowers and flowering plants available.
As a general rule, annual flowers only last one season, bringing vibrant color quickly and are perfect for filling in gaps in your garden throughout the growing season. Some examples of these flowers are alyssum, begonia, celosia, lobelia, marigolds, petunias, and snapdragons. Many of these plants will reseed and pop up again the following spring.
Year-round perennial varieties include dianthus, dusty miller, gazania, lantana, sunscape daisy, chrysanthemum, geranium, penstemon, and salvia. There are also many very colorful perennial shrubs that are great for warm weather. Yellow bush daisy, bush morning glory, butterfly bush, lavenders, roses, and the bell varieties add long-lasting color and structure to your landscape. Use these plants as accents spread around your yard to catch the eye and use groupings of annual color to fill in empty spaces, pots, and planters. Many of these early flowering plants can help to invite pollinators into your yard, help pollinate your vegetable garden, fruit trees, and other plants. For example, to attract bees, use flowers like marigolds, rosemary, snapdragons, lavenders, or daisies.
To attract butterflies, use plants like autumn sage, blanket flower, bush morning glory, butterfly bush, or dianthus. To attract hummingbirds, use desert birds of paradise, butterfly bush, Cape honeysuckle, salvia, Texas sage, trumpet vine, or the bell varieties.
These are just a few of the beautiful spring flowers that can decorate your yard. Follow our planting guide instructions with our star note number 001 by improving the soil with lots of organic matter, like our Dr. Q's Pay Dirt Planting Mix and Mulch or Dr. Q's Filthy Rich Potting Soil for containers. Healthy soil is essential for thriving plants and a vibrant garden. For more information on this topic, get our free star notes number 001, number 300, number 310, and number 545 at starnursery.com. And don't miss our seasonal special, 50% off all pottery.
And don't forget, we make house calls. Visit your favorite Star Nursery location to purchase your house call.
Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every blooming thing.
I'm Donald.
And I'm Joey Lynn, and we'll see you again next week.